Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to check your region on Snapchat. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to easily find your location on the app. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, look for the Snap Map icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the icon to access the Snap Map page. Upon opening the Snap Map page, you will see your current location displayed on the map. This will help you identify where you are at the moment. If you're interested in seeing the locations of your friends, you can do so by checking the Snap Map. If your friends have chosen to share their location, their Bitmoji or figures will appear on the map, showing their real-time location. This feature allows you to stay connected with your friends and see where they are at any given time. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your region on Snapchat and stay updated on the locations of your friends. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.